Okay, so guys, today I'm gonna show you guys my megaminx Rubik's Cube. So guys, today I just bought a new Rubik's Cube. It's called the megaminx Rubik's Cube, and guys, this just came out in March 4. So I had this for like 1 day now. And guys, this can corner twist so easily. Do you know why it can corner twist? Because it's much more flexible than the 4x5. And then guys, I just scrambled this cube, Rubik's Cube. But why did I do that? Let me know in the comments. And then guys, on the megaminx Rubik's Cube, this Rubik's Cube has 12 sides. So you almost solve it as the same way as a Rubik's Cube, but you have some extra algorithms at the end. So guys, I just completed the right side, and the guys, I can make white side, pink side, or left side on a megaminx, but why is that so easy? Well, you almost solve it like the same way as a referee, but this has each one has 11 pieces. Like the 3x3 has 9 pieces, but this has 11. But still, I can solve the sides. But guys, I can't solve this because this is much more harder than a 3x3. So I may have to solve this with an app. Okay guys, would you ever have this Rubik's Cube in your collection? Let me know in the comments, and guys, thanks for watching. Bye.